Becoming agile, we need to follow values and principles of agile. These values and principles are well formulated in Agile Manifesto. 17 proponents way back in 2001, from February 11th to February 13th, they met in Snowbird City in Utah, and then they formulated this manifesto in those 3 days. There are 4 philosophical values in this statement, and these are supported by 12 guideline principles. Let's look at Agile values and principles now. In order for us to become better at Agile, we need to be consistently following these 4 philosophical value statements and the related 12 principles, which we will see later. First philosophical statement: individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Responding to change over following plan. Remember the keyword here, over. Do not be confused with over with instead of or in lieu of. We have processes and tools in Agile too. Individuals and interactions really make the project successful. Today, if you go back and look at any project, essentially the individuals who are into that project and the kind of interactions they had on the project made the project successful.